Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to guide you through how to create a task on Asana, a project management tool. So let us get started right away. Head over to your account on Asana, log into your account, and there are basically two different ways how you can create tasks. The first option, guys, would be to pay attention to that panel here on the left-hand side and to access your list of ongoing or completed tasks under My Tasks. So here below, you will see a list of all tasks that have already been completed or that are ongoing. So you may create a new one by clicking on that button here. Alternatively, guys, if you'd like to create these tasks and assign team members to it, set a due date, and so on and so forth, from your home screen, simply head back to your home screen by clicking on Home here. And after that, under My Task here in that overview, we'll see that button, Create Task, to add a new or to create a new task. So let us get started by entering the task name here. So let me name, for example, task 3, something generic. And after that, guys, you may customize your task, for example, assign team members or assignees, or set a priority, a due date, upload files to it, and so on and so forth by clicking on that arrow to the right icon here, detailed. So click on it. That is going to redirect you to that customization window. So guys, here simply customize and edit your task. You may, for instance, set it on private, which should be usually on default, but you may also set it on public so that all of your team members in your workspace may have access to that task. You may mark it as complete. Now, if you're just creating it, it wouldn't make any sense to mark it as complete, but you can do it here, for example, or simply mark the given task as complete by clicking on a check mark here next to the name. So let us re-enter that customization window. So guys, how can you assign team members to your task? It is very simple. Here under or to the right of assignees, you will see your name since you created the task for this reason. So you're one of the assignees. You may add more team members and assign it to that task by clicking on your profile name and by inviting them, for example, via email by clicking on that button here and by entering their email address here to send, for instance, externals invitations to your workspace and to that specific task here in Asana. Or alternatively, guys, you may simply click on that button here to assign people or teams from Asana to your task by entering their username here. Simple as that, and simply click on Assign Tasks. After that, you may assign, for example, multiple people to one task, and so on and so forth. So guys, next what I would recommend to do is, for instance, is set a due date. You may click on that button here to do that. You may assign a start date or set a start date here or a due date by picking any date from that calendar, go through these month, days, and so on and so forth. You may also convert the given task into a recurring task by clicking on set to repeat here. And for instance, set a frequency like a weekly, daily, and so on and so forth, or a custom frequency. And after that, guys, you may, for instance, clear that if you like, or leave it like that. So guys, in the next step, what you may do is, for instance, add projects to your task, or for instance, assign the task to a project that way. Add dependencies, describe the task below, for instance, using these typing tools here at the bottom. You may hyperlink or add links from external websites, for instance, like instructions or PDFs, and so on and so forth. You may use the power of the artificial intelligence to write your task description for you. You may, for instance, click on that button here to upload files to your description. You may add a subtask, for instance, if your task has been divided into several steps, and simply add subtasks here and repeat the same process by customizing them here by clicking on that button to the right, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may, for instance, leave also comments here, check the activity for the given task, what activities have been so far done, like the creation, assigning team members, and so on and so forth, guys. You may leave the given task, you may set a notification, and here in the top right corner, you may rate the given task by liking it. You may upload or attach files like instructions, PDFs, hyperlink, and so on and so forth, guys. It is actually no rocket science. Last but not least, you may click on these three dots here and, for instance, give the artificial intelligence the command to summarize the task or to convert it into a draft, assign or add tags, create a follow-up task, print the task, duplicate it, convert it into a milestone, or delete the task. So as you can see, guys, there are so many opportunities. Once you're ready, simply click on that X icon in the top right corner to close that window, and that should do it. As you can see now, the task has been added to that list. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.